Do you ever feel like you'll never make it as a copywriter? No matter what you do, there's just no getting any results. Man, we've all felt that way before, but the difference between all those people who actually get results and get their first client and those who end up quitting just to look for a new method to make money online, just come across the same problem, is this one specific word. And knowing this will help you get whatever you want despite the challenges, and that's desire. I know what you're thinking. Isn't it kind of obvious you should want what you're actually after? Well, that is true, but most people don't take it as serious as it should be taken. Because, see, without desire, your brain cannot cut out distractions and focus on solutions. You end up feeling like you're in a dead end because the reason why you do this isn't strong enough. Making money is cool and all, but it isn't strong enough of a motivator to get you to your first 1K a month client. But do you know what is a strong enough reason? Showing everyone who never believed in you that making money online is actually possible. Giving back to your parents who work so hard to give you the life you live, and finally getting the financial freedom you've been yearning for, and never having to worry make about money a single day in your life. And if these reasons cannot push you forth, then nothing else will. If you want to watch and grow with someone who's in your exact same shoes, be sure to subscribe to the channel where I'll be documenting my journey to 10K per month and sharing what I learned along the way. Peace.